Lapinlahti, an atmospheric blend of nature, history, art and wellness nestled just west of Helsinki's city centre. Once home to Finland's first psychiatric hospital, the Lapinlahti area has transformed into one of the city's most unique public spaces. Built in the 1840s and designed by architect Carl Ludwig Engel, the hospital was a forward-thinking institution for its time. Set in a tranquil park by the sea, the site was chosen with the belief that nature could help heal the mind, a philosophy that still shapes the area today. The hospital closed in 2008, but the buildings and grounds have since found new life as a creative and communal hub. Today, Lapinlahti is a place where you can sip fair trade coffee in a cozy cafe, explore art exhibitions and artisan studios, take yoga classes, or attend mental health workshops, all in the historic wings of the old hospital. The surrounding park is perfect for peaceful walks, picnics, and swimming. Winding paths lead through old trees and wildflower meadows to rocky shores that open onto the bay. In summer, locals sunbathe on the cliffs and wade into the sea from public docks. The natural setting draws artists, birdwatchers, and anyone seeking calm in the city. One of the area's highlights is Lapinlahti, a cultural centre focused on mental well-being, sustainability, and community. There's also a traditional Finnish sauna open to the public, a true Helsinki experience, especially after a dip in the sea. Lapinlahti is not just a place to visit, it's a place to pause. It blends the peacefulness of nature with the power of history and the creativity of a new generation. Whether you're here for a walk, a workshop, or a moment of quiet by the water, Lapinlahti offers space to reflect, recharge, and reconnect.